Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will clean this Fernox filter, which is a TF1 filter out, and we will talk about what's the reason that we have in our system this filter and how you can clean it out and why is that so important. So first of all, there are two valves which is closing the circuit from my boiler, and like that I won't lose all the pressure from the whole system since I close this part. And this piece of part of the circuit, it's closed now, and I can clean this Fernox filter out. So the Fernox filter is responsible to take out the metal particle from the water, and also it has a centrifugal inside where the water mud or the dirty parts of the water it gets going down in the bottom section of this filter. And this is the release valve where you can release the pressure from this part and get out all the mud. And in the top section over here we have a ferromagnet which is collecting all the metal particles internally of that filter. And this is a filter to release the air, so you might need some heat, and like that you would be able to release the air once we complete this part. So going forward, we start like you will need some bucket or something where you can release the water and some dry paper to clean out the metal pieces. But first of all, let's release out the water. Since I don't have the key for that valve, I will use this tool and release the water and the pressure from that area. And I have opened the valve. As you might can see, there are some dirt, very minimal dirt inside, and I will just open this valve just to add some extra pressure. Okay, as you have seen, it had bombed out a bit of more of pieces, and in the original kit of the Fernox filter I have received a tool what you can use, and also a Fernox filter fluid what we will add a bit later. And this tool is actually responsible to open up the top part of the filter. Very carefully you can open it up, and then just by hand remove it, and if you lift it, then all the water comes out. And since it is let's say a 5-year-old system, what we have here today is like it has already some dirt collected. Maybe you can see it well. And I will just pull out the ferromagnets and use the dry paper to clean the metal particles out from the water. And as you see, this is really dirty, and it was time to clean it since I had like a 5-year-old system and it was never done before. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I have bringed another part of dry paper and put this in a water a bit and start to clean it again. So as you see, your system needs definitely a clean, just as I did. And basically you could even check the interior. Okay, so it has some dirt inside, so that you can clean this interior. And maybe it would be a good idea to put this piece back a bit and just add some bit of water. Okay, wrong direction. Okay, so you see it is coming clean water out, and there is no special dirt. And yeah, this is how it looks like. We are close to put it back, but before we put it back, then we can give a new rubber band to isolate this part and change this rubber. Like in the original kit we received some rubber band, and this is still maybe good, but it's a good idea to change it. So I will change this part, and let's do like this way, and let's clean this one as well a bit, since we are cleaning everything. Put back the top part, and as you might have seen, here is a small marker, and the marker should go the yellow part to the yellow, and you don't have to overstretch it too much, just a bit. You can use almost barely the hand, or if not, then the tool itself. Just easy like that. It's almost there, just a bit more. And let's say it was like that previously. Okay, here is the indicator that you should be on the yellow spot. Okay, we are there. It's even better than it was originally. So we are putting back the magnets, and let's close the relief valve. Closed, and bring the pressure inside again. So your system now it's full with air bubbles, and you can get rid of the air bubbles by this air releaser part. You see, like the air is just escaping from your system. Okay, I have forgot to add the filter fluid, but we will do that on next time, since this has already fluid inside my system. In the next refresher, I hope not in the next 5 years, in the upcoming some weeks or days, I will add the filter, the fluid, and the water, the Fernox filter fluid protector as well in the system. Doesn't matter at the moment. So yeah, that's it. And your system is ready to run up again. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.